Welcome back. In this video we will write a C program to print sum of first n natural numbers. The required steps are as follows. We will take input n from user, then we will calculate sum of number from 1 to the number n given as input, and then we will print the sum. So let's begin with writing the code. Hash include header files .h. Hash stdio.h has the definition of the function printf and scanf. That's why I have included in stdio.h. Now let's write our main function, int main. In every C program, the execution begins from main function. That's why a main function is mandatory. Now I will declare a variable so that we can take input from user and store the given input in the variable number, int number. And now I will print a statement so that a user can type the input. So please enter a positive number. Now storing that input in our integer, and %d is for integer and the name of variable, and the symbol and is used to take input. Now let's print the given input, %d number. Let's run it. Please enter a number, positive number. So I have entered 4 and our number is printed. Now the second step is to calculate sum of number from 1 to n. So let's write the code for it. I will comment this line because it is not required, and declare two more variable. One is for counter so that I can keep count of the sum, and one variable sum equals to 0 to store the sum of first n natural number. So we'll write a for loop counter equals to 1. We want to add the number from 1 to n, so counter will be start from 1 and it will keep increasing until the variable number, and it will keep increasing. That's why plus plus. Now we will understand how to write the main logic to add number from 1 to n. So initially our sum is 0. Initial sum is 0. Now sum is equals to 0 plus 1, so it will become 1. Now the current value of sum is 1, so 1 plus the value of counter will increase. So initially counter is 1, now it will increase by 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, and the value which will be stored in sum is sum equals to 1 plus 2, so sum will become 3. Now sum is 3 plus the new value of counter which is 3, so sum will become 3 plus 3 6. Now sum is 6 and the new value of counter which is 4, so sum will become 10. I hope you understand the logic. Now let's write this logic in the form of code. So sum is initial value of sum plus the current value of counter, which will keep on changing using this for loop. Now let's print the value of sum at each value of counter. So printf percentage d, and we will print sum. Let's run our code. Enter a positive number. We have entered 4, and the sum is printed, but it's not in the proper format, so let's format it. So I will print the sum in new line every time I calculate the value of sum. So I will calculate the value of sum here in line number 12, and then print the current value at line 13, updated value at line 13. So let's run again. 4. So we have entered a positive number 4, so the sum will become 1, then 3, then 6, then 10, which we have seen in our text editor. Here the sum is 0, then sum will become 1, then 3, then 6, then 10. So this is what I want to print, only 10. I don't want to print the intermediate value of sums. So let's update our code. Let's comment it out, and let's print the value of sum after our for loop is completed execution. So the sum of first and n natural number is sum. So number and sum. So we will replace the value n by percentage d, so that this variable number can take place of percentage d here, and the value of sum can take place the value of percentage d here. And let's write, don't forget to write the semicolon at each line, at the end of each line, and let's run the code. So please enter a positive number. I will enter 4. The sum of first 4 natural number is 10. Let's run it one more time. I would close this other terminals. Let's run it once more with some other input. I will input 6. The sum of first 6 natural number is 21. So how the value is calculated, let's understand after calculating the number. The sum of first 4 natural number, it will become sum equals to the current value is 10, and the counter will increase to 5, and sum will become 15, and it will check if the value of counter, it will increase the value of counter at this line and check the value of counter, which is 6, is less than the input number. So it is less than and equals to number, that's why it will execute this line. So sum will become 15 plus the value of counter 6, which is, then it will become 21. So, and after that the value of counter will become 7, and it will check if the value of counter is less than number. No, the counter is 7 here, and our input is 6. Our input is 6 and counter is 7. That's why the for loop will break, and the line number 15 will be executed, and our this statement sum of first n natural number will be printed. So this is how you write the code to print sum of first n natural number. We will see some more code in the next video. Until then, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.